Good morning students. Today we will solve a boundary value problem by the finite difference scheme. Here the problem is given by solve the boundary value problem d2y by dx square minus 64y plus 10 equal to 0 with the boundary conditions when x equal to 0, y equal to 0, when x equal to 1, y equal to 0. So therefore here x belongs to in the closed interval 0, 1. By the finite difference method, compute y at x equal to 0.5 and compare it with exact value. So first of all, we divide the given interval 0, 1 into two subintervals with the width h equal to 1 by 2. So first of all, solution is given by solution is the given differential equation is approximated as this is yj minus 1 minus 2yj plus yj plus 1 upon h square minus 64yj plus 10 equals to 0. So therefore, we have applied the finite difference method of order 2, which is yj minus 1 minus 2yj plus yj plus 1 upon h square minus 64yj plus 10 equals to 0. On simplifying, we get this is yj minus 1, this is minus y2yj plus this is yj plus 1 minus 64yj h square plus 10h square equals to 0. This can be written as this equals to this is yj minus 1, this is minus 2 into this is 1 plus 32 h square, this is yj. Minus 2 is common, this is 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 32 h square yj plus yj plus 1 equals to minus 10h square. Here case first, we are taking case first. Case first. If we divide the interval 0, 1 into 2 subintervals, equal subintervals, of width h equal to 1 by 2, then the mesh points are given by xj equal to j into h, 0 is less than, j is less than or equal to, this is 2. Here x0 equal to 0, y0 equal to 0, x1 equal to 1 by 2, or we have to calculate it y1, this is the value of y at 0.5, and y2 equals to, and x2 equal to 1 and y2 equals to 0. Therefore, for j equal to 1, then the equation first becomes for j equal to 1, the equation first reduces, this is y0 minus 2 into, this is 1 plus 32, here h is 1 by 2, so therefore this is 1 by 4 into y1 plus y2 equals to minus 10 upon 4. Here y0 is 0 minus, this is 18 y1 plus, here y2 is also 0, this equals to minus, this is 5 upon 2. This equals to, this is y1 equals to, this is 5 upon 36, 5 upon 36, which is 0.1389. So therefore we can say the value of y at x equal to 0.5 is, this is 0.1389. The analytical solution of the differential equation gives the analytical solution for the given differential equation, the analytical solution for the given differential equation is given by the value of y at x equal to 0.5 is, this is 0.1505, this is 0.1505. So therefore the error equals to, this is 0.0116. This is the error. This is the approximate value of y at x equal to 0.5 by the finite difference method, and the exact value of y at x equal to 0.5 is 0.1505. So therefore error is this. The percentage of error is given by the percentage of error equals to, this is 7.70. So therefore we can minimize this error. So to minimize this error, we divide the interval 0, 1 into 4 equal subintervals with width h equal to 1 by 4. So therefore, in the second case second, if you divide the interval 0, 1 into 4 equal subintervals of width h equals to 1 by 4, then the mesh points are given by, this is xj equals to jh, where j equal to j2, this is 0, 2, this is j equal to 0, 2, this is 3, this is x, this is 0, 2, this is 3. In this case, here x0 is 0 or y0 is 0, or here x1 equal to, this is 1 by 4. So this is x1 equals to 1 by 4, this is y1, or x2 equals to, this is x2 equals to half, this is x2 equals to, this can be written as x1 equal to 1 by 4, this is x2 equal to 1 by 2, so this is y2 equal to this, and finally this is x3 equal to 1 by 3 by 4, so this is y3, and this is x4 equals to 1, so this is y4 equals to, this is 1. So this is 0, 2, 4. So these are 5 mesh points. Here x0 is 0, x1 equal to 1 by 4, x2 equal to 1 by 2, x3 equal to 3 by 4, and x4 equal to 1. Here y0 is 0, we have to calculate the value of y1, y2 and y3, or y4 is 1. y4 is 1. So for j equals to, for j equals to 1, 2, 3, we have. So first of all, for j equal to 1, this is for j equals to 1. For j equal to 1, j equal to 1, this is y0 minus, this is 2 into 1 plus, this is 32 upon 16, here h is 1 by 4, or this is y1 plus, this is y2 equals to minus 10 upon, this is 16. This can be written as, here y0 is 0 minus, this can be written as 32 upon 16 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, this is minus 6, y1 plus y2 equals to, this is minus 5 upon 8. This is the Suppose equation number 2. For j equal to 2, we have, this is y1 minus 2 into, this is 3, this is y2 plus this is y3 equals to minus, this is 10 upon 16. So therefore this is y1 minus, this is 6 y2 plus y3 equal to minus 10 by 16. Suppose this equation number is 3. Or for j equal to 3, we have, this is j equal to 3, so this is y2 minus, this is 6 y3 plus y4 equals to minus 10 upon 16. Here y4 is 0, here y4 is 0, y0 is 0. So first of all we substitute the value of y0 and y4, then solving the equations 2, 3rd and 4th. On solving the equations 2, 3rd and 4th, we obtain this is y2 equals to, this is y2 equals to, this value is 0.1470. Therefore we can say the value of y at the point x equal to 0.5, we have 0.1470. The error is, this is 0.0035. If we compare this value with the exact value of y at x equal to 0.5, then we find that error is 0.0035, or the percentage error equals to, this is 2.32. So it means we have observed that if you are taking more base points, then the error becomes minimized. Thank you. Have a nice day.